Welcome to this video. In this video I'll try to pick a challenge lot from Daz Evers number 7. First time I'll be picking a challenge lot from Daz Evers. Here's the key. It was only a kick cylinder, but I inserted it into a kick holder. So we'll get it out of there when it's time to gut it. Okay, so nothing on 1, nothing on 2. 3 gives me a false set, and then number 2 adds to it. And I think number 2 has something else to say. Another click. Number 2 is still not done talking, it seems. But pretty solid. Let me check the rest first. Number 1 gave me a click, and number 2 gave me one more click. So number 1 gave me more, and now gives me counter rotation. I think I may have gone a little bit too hard on this one. Okay, so release tension. Okay, there you go. Give me one small click, then counter rotation. I'm going to try to go easy on it. There we go. So I think number 1 is set now. Okay, now pins in the back have become solid, but are not moving though. I had counter rotation from the last spin. I think I got it set. Pins in front seem to want to give me something, but are not really solid, so there has to be another binder somewhere. No. Okay, number 1 gave me another click. That was number 2, giving me a slight counter rotation. Then number 4 gave me a click. I think we're making progress here. Man, number 1 has a lot to say. Can't wait to see this spin, but right now seems to be giving me counter rotation. I think I got it set, but now I kind of lost. Kind of lost my false set, so I got it back. Okay, so number 2 gave me a deeper false set. Now number 1 gave me 1 click. dropped my tension wrench. I honestly felt like that last click was gonna open the lock and I dropped my tension wrench. Yeah, when you pick with really light tension and all of a sudden you get big movement out of the core, you sometimes drop your tension wrench, and I think that's what had just happened there. Too bad, I really got a feeling I was really close. Just got a whole bunch of clicks on pins in front. Hopefully I didn't just overset them, but lots of action in the front pins and almost nothing in the back. Parties in the front, that's for sure. Oh, I got a deeper false set than I've ever been into. So I got counter from the back now. There we go. Wow. So all that action in the front, really strange. Can't wait to see what's in there. Sorry, I'm just gonna back off a bit. Okay, that was the actual lock that I got. Let me reposition the camera so you guys can see. Okay, I'm just going to lock it back up so you see it is picked. That was a pretty good fight there. Lots of action in the front. So that pin number 1 and 2 must be really interesting to look at. I don't think I'm gonna need a shim. Look at that. I don't know what the heck happened there. Let's see. Oh, wow. Okay, pin number 1. You do not want to overset pin number 1. And you got funky stuff in all the other ones, and we got something that looks like a trap pin in the back. Lots of work on that lock. So serrated key pin on number 1, spool key pin number 2, number 3 is spooled as well, T-pin on number 4, and another spool in number 5. Really, such evilness in the key pins. I can't wait to see what's on top. And we got threading in 1 and 2, counter milling in 3, threading in 4, and 5 has all of this machining that looks, I wouldn't be surprised to find a T-pin up there and pit number 5 position to work that trap right there. So let's go and see. Oh, that was the front. I think that's the front. Okay, so a super sharp T-pinish, strange. Man, is there even words for these things? So that's a spool-ish. Whoa. Man, these things are works of art. So I'm just gonna get them all out, and then I'm gonna give you a good look at them, because these things are amazing. Okay, so now it was a spool up there, so obviously not, it was not a trap to catch the pin that was set in chamber number 5, because that spool would have not engaged that small slot in the core. So maybe that was the original plan, and oh, double spring in there. And Mr. Daz Evers decided to change his mind on the design. All right. Let's see if I can see something in the core. Oh, I'll need a light. So no work was done in the top. So let's have a closer look at these awesome pins. Would you look at that? So number 1 and number 2 gave me a lot of movement. Or maybe it was number 3 actually. Yeah, look at that. Look at this series right there. So T-pin right here with a serrated driver, and we got a good spool with a spool key-pin. So obviously this duo right there probably could not have acted within that slot right there. It was probably just riding over it, so it was not really effective. And that counter milling in 3 would get caught in all of these, so that's probably what was giving me fun right there, this number 3 pin and the counter milling in there. So very, and the double spring, so everything was in there, I think. Oh, wow, that was a very nice lock. Whoa. First for me picking a lock from Daz Evers. So Daz Evers, thank you very much for that lock, and thanks for watching, guys.